The Halter hitch is a knot used to connect a rope to an object like a carabiner in this case. It has a quick release system. If we pull the running hand, the knot comes undone. For making the knot, we pass the running hand inside from below in the carabiner. We put the two parts, the running hand and standing part, together. We put the running hand, it's better to do it like this, like a little bite here, under the two parts, and then we take the running hand and we put inside this little ring over here. By doing that, we make a little bite out the running hand and we put inside. Now we have to tighten the rope. We have to pull from the ring here, this part inside, and then pull this part. Don't pull the running hand, otherwise the knot comes undone. Pull, pull, pull. We pull just this part of the bite, and the knot is done. Then, if we pull, the knot tighten itself on the object. We want to let go the rope. We pull, the running hand is done.